There are other decorative qualities to look for besides vibrant flowers when selecting plants for winter interest. Try to find kinds that stand out due to their unique structure, evergreen leaves, colorful stems, fragrant berries, or appealing bark. If you're looking for some winter plants to add to your garden, consider these. Number 1. Thuja Occidentalis. This multipurpose evergreen conifer is well suited to side yards and other compact areas because to its slender columnar shape. The tender, textured foliage does not lose its vibrant green hues even in the dead of winter. For more seclusion along the property border or to partition off outdoor living spaces, plant them in a row. Number 2. Bergenia. The thick cabbage-like leaf, which is also called pig squeak, stays evergreen in the majority of locations. While wintering, the leaves of some types turn a deep burgundy or red hue. From the end of winter into the beginning of spring, sturdy upright stems with white, pink, or magenta bell-shaped flowers emerge. This low-growing perennial herb is perfect for rockeries, shady borders, or edging pathways. Number 3. Camellia. With its graceful multi-petaled blossoms and glossy green foliage, the camellia is one of the most spectacular winter flowering plants. It adds color to the landscape all year round. Flowers can be either single or double blooming, and their colors can range from white to pink to crimson. This evergreen shrub has broad leaves and is perfect for planting around foundations, in shrub borders, or in woodland landscapes. Number 4. Crocus. Although some crocus species bloom in the winter or fall, their blossoms are a classic symbol of spring. The little cup-shaped blossoms can be any shade of purple or white. In a wooded environment, naturalize crocus with snowdrops and other early bulbs, or under witch hazel or paperbark maple. Plant crocus bulbs in the fall because they require a long time of cooling before they blossom. Number 5. Hardy Cyclamen. Despite the typical practice of keeping Persian cyclamen indoors, there are hardy cyclamen species that can be left outdoors all year. The summer is a dormant season for this bulbous plant that is developed from tiny corms. Variegated or green foliage covers the plant, and white or pink blossoms climate zones. Plant in mass along a slope or rock face to get a close look at the flowers as they bloom, or blend in with the foliage at the edge of a forest. the name Andromeda, features green or very vivid colors, bronze red new growth, and in the late winter and early spring, cascading clusters of red and velvet flowers in white or pink. Slow-growing native Japanese plant in shrub borders, foundation plantings, or wooded areas. It usually has a most varieties a good bet. Number 10. Snowdrops. The beautiful blossoms of snowdrops are a surefire indicator that spring is on the horizon. The tiny perennial bulb has wing-like petals that are snowy white and may have green or gold accents. It can produce either a single or double bloom. Colonies of mass-produced snowdrops will eventually form beneath deciduous trees and shrubs in a winter landscape, rock garden, or woodland boundary. Number 11. Winter Aconite. The winter aconite is a resilient bulbous perennial that looks like little buttercups and has little oval leaves and bright yellow cup-shaped flowers. This hardy ground cover typically pushes through snow to appear before the early crocus. Put this native European forest plant in its natural habitat under deciduous trees and shrubs like paperbark maple, witch hazel, or winter-blooming viburnum. Number 12. Winter Heath. Dense clusters of bell-shaped blooms in hues of white, pink, or lavender are produced along the branches of this broadleaf evergreen shrub. The plants will spread out to create a thick carpet because they are low-growing. All year long, the needle-like greenery is a sight to behold. Let it grow naturally in a mixed border setting, a winter landscape, or a rock garden. Number 13. Winter Jasmine. Deciduous winter jasmine is characterized by its thin willowy stems, sprawling or vining habit, and brilliant yellow star-shaped blossoms that emerge towards the end of winter. The bright winter show more than compensates for the lack of fragrance in the flowers, which are similar to those of other jasmines. Put some winter jasmine in a courtyard or plant it in a mass on a hillside so it can cascade. Number 14. Witch hazel. Among the finest winter blooming plants, witch hazel is hardy enough to survive in a wide range of climates. From late fall into early spring, this medium-sized deciduous shrub or small tree, depending on the species, has spidery ribbon-like blooms. As the seasons change, the once verdant serrated leaves take on dazzling hues of yellow, orange, and red. So in a wooded border with early bulbs and hellebores. Number 15. Winterberry hollyberry poppins. The vibrant red berries that adorn the winter landscape are the main reason why this resistant deciduous shrub is cultivated. The compact growth habit of berry poppins makes it an ideal plant for city gardens and other limited areas. Use as hedge in a winter garden or mixed borders. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.